In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer money on Bank of Montreal using online or mobile banking. Whether you are sending between your own accounts to someone else or through Interac e-transfer, the steps are simple. Open the BMO mobile banking app or go to the BMO online banking website. Log in with your username and password or use biometric login if you have set it up. From the home screen, tap on Move Money or Transfer. Here you'll see options like between your accounts to someone else or Interac e-transfer. Select the option of your choice. Now enter transfer details. Select the from account and to account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. If you are sending via Interac e-transfer, type in the recipient email address or phone number. Review all the transfer details carefully. Select if you want the payment to go now, on a future date, or set it up as a recurring transfer. Tap continue, then confirm using your mobile banking password or security verification. Once confirmed, you'll see a success message. You can also save the recipient for future transfers or download the transaction receipt. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money using BMO. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.